wind is the whisper of our mother, the earth. The wind is the hand of our father, the sky. The wind watches over our struggles and pleasures. The wind is a goddess who first learned to fly. The wind is the bearer of bad and good tidings, weaver of darkness, bringer of dawn. The wind gives the rain, yes, builds us a rainbow. The wind is the singer who sang the first song. The wind is the twister of anger and warning. The wind brings the fragrance of freshly mown hay. The wind is a racer and a white stallion running, and the sweet taste of love on a slow summer's day. The wind knows the songs of cities and canyons, thunder of mountains, roar of the sea. The wind is the taker and giver of mornings. The wind is the symbol of all that is free. So welcome the wind and the wisdom she offers. Follow her summons when she calls again. In your heart and your spirit, let the breezes surround you. Lift up your voice then and sing with the wind. La, 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 la. Sunshine on my shoulders makes me happy. Sunshine in my eyes can make me cry. Sunshine on the water looks so lovely. Sunshine almost always makes me high. If I had a day that I could give you, give to you a day just like today. If I had a song that I could sing for you, I'd sing a song to make you feel this way. Sunshine on my shoulders makes me happy.